Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn what is the difference between filter and highlight interaction in Power BI. This is also an interview question, so please stay tuned. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So I'm in Power BI desktop, and from Power BI Visual Gallery, I will add one column chart, and let me adjust the height of the column chart and width also, and I'll place it here. And from the data model, I will add a region on x-axis and total sales, sum of total sales on y-axis. So as you can see here, the sum of total sales by region. So we have a three region: North America, Europe, and Pacific. Now I will add a one more column chart, and I'll adjust the width. And here I will add country on x-axis and total sales on y-axis, sum of total sales. So as you can see here, so now six countries, so sum of total sales by country, and let me change the color of column. I'll make it dark blue, more darker. Okay, now let me close this. So if I select a North America, so you can see two bars are highlighted: United States and Canada. So these two countries are belongs to North America. If I select a Europe, so you can see three bars: France, UK, and Germany is highlighted because these three countries are belongs to Europe. If I click on the Pacific, you can see only Australia is highlighted. So here for the Pacific, we have only one country, that is Australia. So this kind of the behavior, we call it highlight. And this is the default behavior, default interaction behavior in Power BI. Now we'll see another one, that is a filter one. So now we'll go to format, and from here we'll click on edit interaction and edit interaction, and now I'll select this visual. And here, this is like, earlier this was selected, so this is highlighted, highlights. And now I'll select the filter one. Okay, so now once I will click on North America, let me disable the interaction. If I'll click on North America, you will see only two countries which is belongs to North America. Now let me check. So you can see only United States and Canada. Similarly, for Europe, you can see three countries because these three countries are belongs to Europe. And Pacific, we have only one country, that is Australia. So this kind of behavior is not by default. It is a filter interaction. It is called as a filter interaction. So default behavior is highlight. If you want to revert actually, so you again click here and go to interaction, edit interaction, and click here, highlight. So now if you select here, from here, you can see only two bars are highlighted. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I request you to please subscribe my channel.